So, and then, you know, back to using this piece of equipment to do exactly what I just did there. We have a lot of trees, obviously, in the park here, and using this piece of equipment and pushing the snow up into the tree, it gives me so much more room to pile stuff. So otherwise I've got to run it all the way down there, or who knows where I got to get it. But so, and I know I've told the story many times for why I do this with the snow and push push all of this material down to this point here. And I'll say it again, that old people get cranky, and when they don't have a lot to worry about, some youngster piling snow in their yard all of a sudden is the worst thing in the world. So in no way do I recommend anybody who's trying to make money at this plow this way, unless you are specifically asked to do it and getting paid to do it that way. It is very much not efficient. My dad certainly does not do it that way. And that's his choice, you know. It's just like this is my choice to run the snow down here. So unfortunately this bank's a little bit screwed up because I have stacked snow with the truck, you know, as high and as dense as I can with it in that location. So that's why it's bumped out. That's why she looks like a Prairie hill. Got a baby bump to it. I just can't believe how far off they were on our snow total. It is not even close. Huh. I figured he'd be making a pass through here by now. lot of it, I will say, getting back to the shuttle shift and the different ways you can change gears, like the thumb clutch and all that. Sometimes it just takes getting a rhythm figured out. I mean, that's all it is in all honesty, is finding a rhythm, but it is not easy. If a guy ran this non-stop all day, every day, it'd probably be a little easier, but so basically, if this winter was more like, what was that, 22, 23, I'd basically be living out of this thing, because that winter we'd get a lot of 2-inch, 3-inch snow days, and I still plow this stuff, so. And see there, I got the first gear, the drop in the first gear correct. I forgot to shift it back up to 4 when I went in reverse, so. Just lots of little things that you can do to up your efficiency that I'm just not at that level with this piece of equipment yet. And I suppose that's a case to be made for why so many like hydrostatic for this kind of work. From an efficiency standpoint, it's probably quite a bit more efficient to just operate the 2 pedals. I don't know. I've never really used one, so I don't know what that's like. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it has quirks just like using this does. There we go. Yeah, I mean, that's this tractor's, what is this tractor, 9 feet tall? So that is significantly above this tractor. So that's got to be closing in on 15 feet. I should put marks in that tree in the summer. That would be kind of cool. I find sometimes when I'm running at higher RPMs that the shuttle shift is not a big fan of it. Don't know why. Oh, there he is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's our video for today. If you're new here, I'd sure love to have you join me again. And so if you could hit that sub button, I would sure love that. So, and if you enjoyed my video, I'd love it if you hit the thumbs up on it. And if you'd like to watch another one of my plow videos, there's another one right here. So I'll talk to you later. See you there.